reach. In case Malfoy decided to try to take advantage of the fact that they were alone. Nice, I googled my symptoms, turns out I just need more tractors. Shirt find 428, anyone there? Harry assumed he planned to walk through the teacher's office to the classroom. Maybe as a shortcut on his way somewhere else. Malfoy recoiled in surprise as he saw Harry. Nice, I googled my symptoms, turns out I just need more tractors. Shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. What are you doing here? He snarled. Harry puzzled for a moment to make sure he'd heard the question correctly. Then said, Nice, I googled my symptoms, turns out I just need more tractors. Shirt, I mean, it's noon on Scott 20 Shroot. I want people to be afraid of how much they love me. T-shirt a Sunday. It doesn't seem likely that you'd be here. Harry attempted to look irritated at having to explain himself. Well, after a spot of torture, it's nice to relax in solitude with a good book. Now, why are you here? Malfoy looked at Harry.